Hello and welcome to this lesson on how to build self-confidence. Before we proceed with this lesson, please like and subscribe to our channel. Self-confidence is an essential quality that can help you achieve your goals, improve your relationships, and lead a more fulfilling life. In this lesson, we'll explore some practical strategies for building self-confidence. Recognize your strengths. The first step in building self-confidence is to recognize your strengths. Make a list of your positive qualities and accomplishments. It can be helpful to ask friends or family members for their input, as they may see strengths in you that you overlook. Focusing on your strengths can help you build a positive self-image and feel more confident in your abilities. Set achievable goals. Setting achievable goals can also boost your self-confidence. Choose goals that are realistic and attainable, and break them down into smaller steps. As you achieve each step, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment that can help you build momentum and confidence. Practice self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental health can also improve your self-confidence. Exercise regularly, eat a healthy diet, and get enough sleep. Make time for activities that you enjoy and that make you feel good about yourself. Challenge negative self-talk. Negative self-talk can erode your self-confidence. Whenever you catch yourself thinking negative thoughts about yourself, challenge them. Ask yourself if they're really true and if there's evidence to support them. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations, such as, "I am capable," or "I am worthy." Take calculated risks. Taking risks can be scary, but it can also be rewarding. When you take calculated risks, you build confidence in your ability to handle challenges. Start with small risks, such as trying a new hobby or talking to someone new. As you become more comfortable with taking risks, you'll feel more confident in your ability to handle them. Learn from failure. No one is perfect, and everyone experiences failure at some point. When you fail, take the opportunity to learn from it. Ask yourself what you can do differently next time, and how you can use the experience to grow and improve. Building self-confidence is a process that takes time and effort. By recognizing your strengths, setting achievable goals, practicing self-care, challenging negative self-talk, taking calculated risks, and learning from failure, you can build your self-confidence and achieve your goals. Remember to be patient and kind to yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way. Thank you for joining us in this lesson on how to build self-confidence. We hope you found it helpful.